Good idea. Groove on the move.
The Dire.
Hey. Groove on the move.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Lightning.
Sa-trash na to! Ano naging immortal tong mga bobong to?
Guides me.
Ang skill. Bitcoin! Shit! Tangin!
What's up? Doggy red trail.
Quickly.
30 seconds to
Ano yan?
blow.
Ano to, pre? May ganito pala, may damage reduction pala to. Ganito pala si Pak.
They're unstoppable.
Middle tower is under attack.
Oh, ano? Anong ginagawa ni Pak doon?
That was the end for Radiant's career.
Kaya yan, kaya yan. Umay ka pala dyan sa traffic. Oh naman, paano yun, boss? Abandon ako kahapon. Ganyan talaga, boss. Eh, tanga ka eh. Pinapairal mo na naman.
Lightning.
And this sniper support na scatter shot. Dito yung bristleback.
Yes.
Para ako lang, boss, ah.
Where's my pencil? On this plane.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Beast of all worlds.
Di na mauulit. Meron ka palang BKB, di mo na lang ginamit kasi kanina eh. Wala ka. Oh, Rubik Notes! Rubik Notes! Rubik Notes!
Tower. Your top tower is under attack.
Ah,
Your
AFK Gaming ah. Walang magaan ay panda. Panda of lane.
A no trajectory.
Support since day one. Halftime pabutin kayo on muna. Francis!
All play? No?
Sugoi desu!
Spot on.
Ngayong over pa. Lurk muna ako sa kanya, boss.
Sure is shooting.
Fun's all ready, big on.
Yes. Yes.
Walang magaan ay panda. Panda of lane. Mo ng travel time. Flash Panda!
Guides me. Quick draw.
Pag ganito, walang utak tong mga kalaro ko eh. Pipe. Pipe. Ah, po naman!
Mid tower taking damage.
Well, look at me.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Going for
Dominating.
namin sa Civil War. For FYR, tanga lang. Taas ng win rate ng patch ko, autoban pa. Civil, engot ng galawan mo. Sana all level 7, tol! Grabe naman si Immortal Enjoyer. Nakuha niya yung mga bounty XP nung
It'll be an adventure.
LC chap. RS ba? Oh, tignan mo, piniping na agad yung aking chill. Piniping na. Piniping na ang aking facet, pre. Yay! Tingnan mo naman si Fried Chicken. Andito pa rin yung ano, yung dami. Ito tong si Robic, papansin eh. Okay na, happy dun sa mga tatlong M-word na to eh. Mga M-word tong mga...
Well, look at me. Do you want me? It's just me.
Boring ka talaga. Maboboring ka talaga pag hindi ka nakapag ano. Si Ember ba? Si Ember ba yun? Mag-QQ ulit ako.
It's already begun.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Mag-browse na yan tayo ng mga kokomelon eh. Mas nakaka-relax pa eh, no? Kokomelon eh.
Your middle tower.
Kentong ilalakas, gamitin mo yung real account mo tapos gawin mo ako trash token. Ikaw ata yung mga napaiyak sa Civil War eh. Ha? Tanungin mo si Alo.
Yes. With thanks.
Yun ako ni Morph.
Right to it.
Taka ako nun! Hindi ko nantay yung...
It'd be pretty mad at you.
Taka ako nun, hindi ko nantay yung... Nether... At! Nakakairita! Suko ka na, suko na ako pre. Ang ano eh. Hold ka.
My goodness, your top tower is being attacked.
Primal split.
Ano pa ba to? Dagger na pala si LC. We need to play with LC.
Goodbye, top
To
tower.
Scepter.
Your top barracks never did nothing to deserve this. The top barracks is fallen. Your top barracks is fallen.
CD nga boy. Ayoko kong i-hook ko eh.
Coming through.
Don't down here.
Going ballistic.
As a friend. As a ship. Cause I want you. Tayo may Flash Panda. Atlanta ba?
And now.
Your bottom tower has fallen. I don't even know where to start.
Ihanap yung time na mag...
I'm in fight.
Farming my triangle, whatever shit. Doing the thing, shooting plus.
Snipe hunt. Of course.
Malapit sa strawberry farm. Baybakan mo na! Ang ina yung lahat! Tanga pre, takot na. Bobong putang ina talaga nila pre. Agustin! Ano ba ginagawa na ito ba AFK? Kanina pa eh! Pictures come to botanical. Pictures come to botanical. Holy. 4K, 4K lang. Ancient. Ancient player. Malulugi pa tayo dito. Saka mo naman, boy. Andun na kasi yung spec pre. Napunta pa tuloy sa Lich. Ispodin mo na ba ako? Oh, grabe naman si Bading James. Umi-stock bago mga remove.
Bottom tower is no more.
Parang ako mag-SK.